Greetings, panel. Panel, I am Balkrishn from Physical Science second year. Panel, I firmly believe that the water crisis is mainly due to the people's failure rather than government. Now, panel, I would like to give two broad reasons why I believe so. The first reason one is that it was because of the lack of the activeness of people for the water security and its management. Second one is the extreme exploitations of the resources. Now, what I mean by lack of activeness, panel. Now, let us consider one example. Why Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in India became so much successful rather than Jal Shakti Abhiyan, which was started in 2019? It is because of mass participation that it found in country. So it certainly depends on the people how they pursue a policy. The government can give you policies or schemes only, but it's successful how much it is on the ground. It depends on the people certainly. So from the also we need to understand from the constitution that gives us right. We also have some fundamental duties to follow, and one of them is to preserve the rivers and natural resources that we have. So also we need to understand how many like government can tell you for rainwater harvesting, save water campaign that government has shown, but people doesn't show much of activity. How many houses in India that we can see rainwater harvesting system? There are only few panel. Either we found majority in Kerala or like Rajasthan only. Now secondly, extreme exploitation of the resources that we have done. Extreme exploitations in the sense of extra use of water, where we need one bucket we use 2-3 buckets, and that extra water that we use is on the cost that another person in the country is not getting that water. Secondly, we have destroyed the older resources that we earlier used to have. For example, of the wells, ponds that were in the villages, suddenly we have exploited them in the modern times. Thirdly, dependency on the modern technologies like submersibles, which we have to go around 80 to 90 feet down. Also septic tanks that we use, and like we throw the garbages in the river, even polluting them. Also we need to understand groundwater is contaminated. Use of the insecticides that the people are using today, the government also says to have proper insecticides use, like there are many insecticides which flow easily. Now fourth reason I would like to give is that in the northern areas where there were enough water, people planted eucalyptus trees in the last decade, and that resulted in the extreme depletion of the groundwater. Now last reason is population explode that has taken place. When the population explode takes place, it suddenly results in two things: the freshwater demand increases, and you have to cut the forest. When you cut the forest, suddenly the two things happen: the water cycle gets disturbed, and second is the glaciers starts melting, and that certainly relates to the lack of availability of water in the rivers, because rivers comes from glaciers, and this whole things of the population explode that has taken place suddenly results in the water crisis that we see. So I firmly believe that it is mainly because of the people rather than the government. Thank you.